In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install QuickBooks Desktop. So first, make sure you are on the official website of quickbooks.intuit.com, and then in here, hover over the products and then click the QuickBooks Desktop or search for QuickBooks Enterprise Desktop. Scroll down and then select a version you need, like a Pro, Premier, or Enterprise. So as you can see in here, QuickBooks doesn't offer a free trial yet. So you'll need to buy their plan in order to access the installation and downloading site or link. And assumingly we avail the plan. So listen carefully as I explain each step so you know what to expect when you download the application. So once you've completed the purchase or trial form, if available, QuickBooks will provide a download link and a license number. So click the link to start downloading the installer. So when it's done, open the file to begin setup and then follow the on-screen prompts. So you'll be asked to enter your license and product number. So choose the installation type, either express or custom, and then let it install. So once installation is complete, launch QuickBooks Desktop and activate your product using the credential provided. And that's it. You're now ready to start managing your business finances with QuickBooks Desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.